there's no formula to dating. So yeah. Hey guys, you're just gonna have to excuse me. I am super crusty right now. Like, I just showered, put on my mask and clothes, and went to the mall. Just got some stuff from Discam, ran some errands for my mom. Yeah, I will be shooting YouTube content. So I'm aiming to shoot 4 videos a month. That's like my goal. I'm not gonna put myself on like a schedule of when I drop them during the month. That just, yeah, I realize that's not gonna work for me, but 4 videos is my aim. Anyways, I am on leave this week, so I'm not sure what happens to the rest of my video, but I was saying I'm on leave this week, so I've decided to vlog, take you guys with me. I hope you enjoy my vlogs, and let's see what I get up to this week. Love you, bye. Okay, so I just recorded this vlog, but the camera was facing the wrong way, so now the camera's facing me. Anyways, I was just really proud of this makeup, and I wanted to show you guys. I just finished recording a YouTube video. Yeah, it's Sunday. Like, I've had a mellow day, just woke up, showered, got ready to record. Now I'm done. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Like, I honestly don't plan on doing much. I just want to rest, and that's like priority number 1. I do have some applications and things I'm gonna fill out. I'm feeling really motivated this year to just apply to certain things, and not even jobs. Like, I'm not even talking about jobs right now, but yeah, I'm really feeling motivated to put myself out there. I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling prosperous. I'm feeling like, you know, if I just shoot my shot in as many places as possible, something will land. And that's just kind of the vibe I have. I didn't have that vibe last year, at the beginning of the year. I mean, pandemic aside, at the beginning of 2020, I literally had no goals. I'm not even like being... these birds. I'm not even being facetious. I had no goals. I just was like, cool, another year. Let's see how it goes. Anyways, yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll take you guys around with me. I really do wear 2 masks when I'm out, guys. So we're here on a furniture run and a coffee run. Let's see what we find. Got the cutest little coffee at Lineage Hillcrest. I am definitely still camera shy because I thought I was going to show you guys, but like taking your phone out and vlogging is just, yeah, it's something else. It's that place over yonder. Super cool little chain around this area. I'm at Builders again because what's a crafting girl without Builders? This is kind of what I'm looking for, this floating shelf situation. I mean, this leaning shelf. Floating shelves here, they only have black. I'm looking for like a white. I need storage solutions. I think I just need to get myself a drill, buy some brackets, get some wood, and do some floating shelves in my room. There's no other solution at this point. I need a place for my purses and my shoes. That was a bust. Apparently the glaze I'm looking for is out of stock. Let me see if I can order it online. Hopefully, that would be awesome. Just got back from saying goodbye to my person. It honestly never gets easier. It's the most ghetto thing ever. Ninga jolly, but also jolan, guys. That's my advice to you in regards to relationships. Don't jola, but jola. And what I mean by that, let me not be facetious, is wait for the right person. And sometimes you'll think you found the right person, and you'll be disappointed. It happens. Like, there's no formula to dating. So yeah. I have no general relationship advice, maybe to specific things. Aside from that, let me just put on my podcast, eat my jelly babies, and get into my feelings a bit. Alrighty. Let me try it. It's Wednesday, and today I am spring cleaning, so I have full glam on my face because I was literally just like playing with makeup in my bed. Yeah, for no reason, like I'm not going anywhere or whatever. And yeah, I'm just gonna go through what I need, what I don't need anymore, try and throw out some junk. I have a storage situation I'm trying to sort out with a shelf. I'm thinking of, well, yes, I probably already did speak about this, about what I want to do with my shelf in my room. So yeah, just gonna get going with that, wash makeup brushes, just gonna have a get my life together day. Oh my god, I'm at that stage of cleaning where everything looks worse and I'm regretting even starting. Wait, Sherbert, focus is off. Here's baby me, you can't even see me, shame. And then here's this was such a ping ID photo. I don't even know like why I snapped so hard. There was no reason. Yeah, I don't know. I need to like throw a bunch of... So today I'm just trying to wash sneakers out. I am trying a new method, and it's gonna be in a video I'm gonna post, but look at how nasty they are. But this is just part of my spring cleaning. I'm literally spending my leave resting and just cleaning, and honestly like chilling at home, and I couldn't have had it better. So I am making garlic bread from scratch. I have just been cutting this loaf. This is a French loaf I bought unsliced. I'm cutting it into quarters. I don't know if you can see. And then I've got this garlic spread, which I'm probably only going to use like half of it. And we usually use it for seafood and stuff when we're cooking seafood. So I'm going to put I'll just show you guys. Okay, now I've got the spread in between the slices, and I'm just gonna wrap it up in the foil and put it in the oven. I got this chicken and bacon bake from Checkers because we love convenience. So I'm just gonna let that sit in the oven. We're all about comfort food today.